grays are graying bad. I could just leave like this. Go by my way, my little stiff ponytail here. What y'all think? What y'all think? Alright, let me do this ponytail thing. What it's looking like? Y'all can see it. I can't. This is all we're gonna get. Cause baby, the rays is working anyway. But I'm about to hop in the shower real quick and then I'm gonna just do my brows and that's probably it. But I just ordered these. Oh, let me show y'all the lashes that I ordered off Shein. Hold on. So I don't know if they got the brand up here. Oh, this should. And these are the lashes. Can y'all see them? So it comes like the bottom lashes, the spikes, and like volume fan, and then the clusters. Yeah. So I want to try these out. It just say DIY lashes this year. Eyelashes. It don't say the brand. Bring the statin home. These are lashes, y'all. I forget. I've gotten. I got alright with doing my lashes on my own. Yeah, I don't know no company, y'all. They don't really have a company name. I don't know. Look, this is the Lash Bond and Seal. This is the Lash Bond and Seal, and these are just the little tweezers. I wish they would have gave me another color but pink. I'm not a pink girly. Never have been, never will be. Not a pink girl. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put those on and we're gonna see how they look. But yeah, y'all, just a little slick back bun that I threw in real quick, real simple. I really don't like wigs because they just mess up your hairline. And I just don't like that. I don't like that for me. Wow, my head shapes look kind of funny with this little pony. With this little my bun. And I put it too much up in the middle. Like I normally like my buns like down here. But whatever. I'm about to eat my lunch. Take a shower real quick. Put my clothes on, eat my lunch. And then I'm just going to do my eyebrows. And my hair is so sensitive. When I was washing my hair, it was hurting. Oh, and y'all got me this bag. Let me bring y'all in here so I can show y'all that. Let me bring y'all in so, because my knees hurt like that. So I'm gonna show y'all this bag that I just got from H&M. When me and Marquita was in the mall the other day, I was getting her a birthday gift. Because I'm doing like this thing for her where I'm doing like 40 for 40. So she's turning 40, so 40 gifts for the next 40 days till her birthday. But it's a little H&M bag. I seen it in there and I was like, oh, this is so cute. So this is her. Wow, she's so cute. I love her. It's so cute. I like it. I like it a lot. I like a cute little two-piece set or whatever, but tell me if y'all like her. I like her a lot. It's like this. I don't know what material this is, but this is her. She's so cute. This is her. She's really cute. And she was only $34. So I just got it when I was in the mall the other day. And I was like, let me show them. But she's cute and she comes with a little scrap as well. $34.99. And I love the color. This color is definitely in for fall. And I love this color. I love it. So yeah, we got this new little bag as well. I'm about to get in the shower real quick. And then I'm about to like throw some clothes on so I can get up out of here. And I'll pick y'all back up later if we doing something. And I need to vacuum my floor too. So let me stop playing, y'all, and get to it. And I'll pick y'all back up a little bit later. Y'all, I just got home. I'm about to get in the shower. I forgot to finish vlogging the rest of my day. But I didn't do much. I went to Michael's as well. And that's about it. But I'm about to get in the shower. And then I'll just pick y'all back up tomorrow. And we'll start fresh. I keep seeing this Vlogtober thing going around, so I want to try it. 30 days of vlogs. Like, this is me testing myself to like pick up the camera and vlog every day. So hopefully we can do it. We can do it. Yeah. Let's go ahead and shower and get ready for bed. I want to read a little bit of my book, so I'm probably gonna do that as well, and then I'll just pick y'all back up tomorrow. Y'all, so I just left this coffee place. I just left this coffee place near my house. Well, it's in town center.
Go
and
past
got
this line.
Be
then
quiet.
Turn left.
And got this coffee. It's from Einstein Bros. It's really good. This is my first time.
Use the left 3 lanes to turn onto South Independence Boulevard.
This is my first time getting this coffee, and I could have got it less sweet. I don't like sweet coffee. I just like a pinch of sweetness. She's good. She's good. I'm running some errands, and I needed some coffee. And then I also just got me like this little bagel. It's a turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. Turkey, egg, and cheese, everything bagel. So we're gonna try that out as well. But I was like, let me pick up my phone and tell the girls. I want to go to Michael's. Because I want to make me this vanity that I keep seeing on TikTok. I need a vanity anyway. Like, I haven't had one in my last place, and now it's time for me to get one again. But I want to go to Michael's and get these 2 items that I need for the vanity. Y'all probably seen it on TikTok. And then a tabletop, but I've been looking it up in my area and I can't find. So in my area they don't have any of the tabletops in stock, so I'm gonna have to order that online. So yeah, we're about to go to Michael's in a minute and do that. And yeah, it's Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday, October the 2nd. So yeah, y'all, that's what we're about to do. I had my bagel from earlier. I was trying to tell you about this coffee. It was good. It was a little too sweet for my liking, but it was still pretty good. But yeah, we're about to go to Michael's. I'm gonna just pick y'all up when we get there. And yeah, that's the vibe. I don't know when I'm gonna like put this up or anything. Of course I have to wait for the actual top part to come in the mail. I wish I could find it around here somewhere. I'm actually gonna look and see if I can find it anywhere around
In 2 miles, turn right onto South Plaza Trail.
And if so, then we're gonna get that. But yeah, that's what we're doing for the day, and whatever else there is to come. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to Michael's. And I want to stop at home. Love me a good at-home trip. Love a good at-home run. So we might do that as well. And I'm recording off my camera. I wonder if y'all can notice the difference if I'm recording off my camera versus my phone. I mean, right now I'm recording off my phone. So yeah. Oh, and I wanted to go to Barnes & Noble because I want to get this Bible. Because I have the New King James version.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
I have the Holy Bible, New King James version, but I cannot understand it. And I don't want to keep getting frustrated when I'm reading the Bible. I want to actually be able to read it and be able to understand what I'm reading. So I do want to go get that one because I feel like it'll be more broken down into a terminology where I could understand and I could interpret it. And I won't get frustrated and get like with the Bible and don't want to read it. So I want to do that. I want to do that as well. So I'm gonna just pick y'all back up in a minute. Hey y'all, so to another Michael's to get the other chest drawer, but I was able to fit in here. I was struggling. I had to like lift my seat all the way back and put it in diagonal, but I got it in here. I just have to go get the other chest drawer, and then we're gonna, and the two little things, and then we're gonna build it. I'm so excited. But yeah, I just want to get up here and show y'all that she was acting like she wasn't gonna fit in the car, but we forced her in there. We forced her in there, y'all. So we got her in there. So I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up a little bit later. I don't know if we're gonna put this up today. I'm excited. I kind of want to, but one of these days we will put it up. But yeah, y'all, we just left Michael's. I'm about to actually go home and put dinner on. It's 3:40, and then I'm probably gonna come back out. But I'll pick y'all back up later. We riding though, y'all. We got her to fit in there. If there's a will, there's a what? A way. So she in there. She might be a little cramped, but nonetheless, she's in there. I'm so excited. Now